Artificial Intelligence Course for Beginner by Knowledge and Information. Hello and welcome to the Artificial Intelligence Course for Beginners. In this course, we will introduce you to the exciting world of AI, its applications, and how it is shaping the future of technology. Part 1. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. What is AI? History of AI, types of AI applications. Part 2. AI ethics and future of AI. AI ethics, bias in AI governance, future of AI. Part 3. Computer vision. What is computer vision? Applications of computer vision: object detection, image classification, face recognition, autonomous vehicles. Part 4. Machine learning. What is machine learning? Types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, applications of machine learning. Part 5. Natural language processing. What is natural language processing? Applications of NLP: sentiment analysis, text classification, language translation, chatbots. Part 6. Deep learning. What is deep learning? Types of neural networks: convolutional neural networks, CNN, recurrent neural networks, RNN, generative adversarial networks, GAN, applications of deep learning. Part 1. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly growing field that involves the development of intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. AI is based on the idea of creating computer programs that can analyze complex data, learn from it, and make decisions based on that learning. The field of AI has been around for several decades, and its roots can be traced back to the 1950s when researchers first started exploring the concept of machine intelligence. Since then, AI has evolved significantly, and today it is an essential component of many technological advancements, including self-driving cars, intelligent personal assistants, and advanced medical diagnosis systems. AI can be divided into three main categories: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Narrow AI is the most common type of AI, and it is designed to perform specific tasks, such as playing chess or recognizing faces. General AI, on the other hand, is capable of performing any intellectual task that a human can do. Super AI is hypothetical and refers to an AI system that is capable of surpassing human intelligence and creativity. AI has numerous applications in various industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and manufacturing. In healthcare, AI is being used to develop more accurate diagnostic tools, while in finance, it is being used to detect fraud and make investment decisions. In transportation, AI is being used to develop autonomous vehicles, while in manufacturing, it is being used to optimize production processes and increase efficiency. Overall, AI is a rapidly growing field that has the potential to transform our world in many ways. Its applications are virtually limitless, and it is likely that we will continue to see significant advancements in this field in the coming years. What is AI? AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. It is based on the idea of creating computer programs that can analyze complex data, learn from it, and make decisions based on that learning. AI systems use a variety of techniques to mimic human intelligence, including machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. These techniques involve training algorithms to identify patterns and make predictions based on large amounts of data, allowing AI systems to learn and improve over time. The field of AI has numerous applications, including self-driving cars, intelligent personal assistants, and advanced medical diagnosis systems. AI is also being used in industries such as finance, transportation, and manufacturing to optimize processes and increase efficiency. There are three main types of AI: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to perform specific tasks, such as playing chess or recognizing faces. General AI, also known as strong AI, is capable of performing any intellectual task that a human can do. Super AI, also known as artificial general intelligence, refers to an AI system that is capable of surpassing human intelligence and creativity. Overall, AI is a rapidly growing field that has the potential to transform our world in many ways. Its applications are virtually limitless, and it is likely that we will continue to see significant advancements in this field in the coming years. AI is an interdisciplinary field that brings together experts from various domains such as computer science, mathematics, engineering, and psychology. Researchers in AI are constantly developing new algorithms and techniques to create more advanced and sophisticated AI systems. One of the key challenges in AI is creating systems that can operate in real-world environments with incomplete or uncertain information. This is known as the AI complete problem and is a significant research area within the field. Another challenge in AI is ensuring that these systems are transparent and ethical. As AI systems become more advanced and ubiquitous, it is essential to ensure that they operate in a way that is fair, unbiased, and accountable. Despite the challenges, the potential applications of AI are vast, and the field is rapidly growing. In addition to the areas mentioned above, AI is also being used in fields such as gaming, entertainment, and education. In conclusion, AI is a field that has the potential to transform our world in many ways. It involves the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, and it has numerous applications in various industries. While there are still challenges to overcome, the potential benefits of AI make it an exciting and rapidly growing field. In next video, we will discuss about history of AI, types of AI applications. Until then, goodbye and keep learning. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.